Hey there, welcome back to our channel, and today's video is all about how to promote your business with Google in terms of advertisement. Google Ads, or what we can call it as Google AdWords, was launched way back in the year 2000, and in this video we are going to learn about how we can deal with Google for promoting or for advertising our business over various Android applications or over Google search. Have you ever wondered, while playing any game or surfing through the internet, the screen tends to pop few advertisements, and somehow we happen to click on that icon or link and gets navigated or redirected to a different application. The question arises is, how does this actually happen? So one of the way is through Google Ads. In this video, we are going to explain about how you can go for Google Ads or how you can sign a deal with Google in terms of getting your business advertised. So to begin with Google Ads, we need to go to the search bar and we need to type Google Ads. Okay. The first link that we are getting is for Google Ads. A few description about what Google Ads is, which I've already mentioned in the video. Yes, grow your business with Google Ads. This is an amazing feature by Google under Google Suite or G Suite, what we call it as. Start and get rupees 2000 in ad credit. Okay. For this we need to enter our email ID. I'm not a robot. Get offer code. After clicking this, I'll be getting an email. Instantly I'll get an email from Google Ads that will contain a promo code. We need to copy that promo code from that Gmail ID. We need to paste it further. Here we have received an email from Google Ads. I'm opening it. Okay. And here is the promo code. I'm copying it. It is copied to my clipboard. Now we need to click on get started. Okay. The three options being get more calls, get more website sales or sign-ups, or get more visits to your physical location. Since we are not having a physical location, as in we are not having a shop or a complex or anything, we need not to go for the third option and get more calls. We are not into this freelancing thing or any of the call center thing. What we are making the ad for is for our YouTube channel, so which will drag more of the viewers. So we need to go for the second option, get more website sales or sign-ups. Next, business name. Here it is, business website. Here further we can add the channel link in the continuation thing, but for now I'm just not adding it. I'm just writing it youtube.com. If you want, you can directly add the link of your channel or whatever website that you own on this blank space. Okay. Next. Okay. Now this page will ask you that where do you actually want to promote your business? Like, what is your area of promotion? By default it has selected India, and this is the potential audience size. Okay. There is the thing. The main thing lies here. If you want, you can change the location or add on the location. It is already given India. So for now, let me just stick to India only, or we can add city or state or country. So let me just add a few states. As it is coming under India only. But just to demonstrate how it actually works, let me just add Maharashtra to it. Any of these out states, maybe like let's say Karnataka. And next, here we need to add the keyword. Okay. Like by default it is giving YouTube channel, music videos, educational videos. We are not running a music video, so we need to cancel it. Educational video. Yes, our channel contains some educational videos as well, and we deal into technology videos. If you have got some other things also, you can simply add on add keyword theme. We deal into arts also, so arts or artistic sketch maybe. You need to just press enter out of it, and you can add as many keyword themes as you want to. For now, these 4 are sufficient enough, and I'm clicking on the next. Here it is. Whatever you'll be creating, the headline or the tagline or the main keywords for your ad will be displayed like this. Okay. If you want, you can change the layout also. Like headline 1, whatever you'll be writing here in the headline 1 section, it will be displayed here. Like for example, if I'm writing the sketcher, I'm writing here and instantly it is coming here. Yeah. Headline 2 or headline 3 is We are dealing in technology as well. Description: we are a team of YouTubers and we do artistic sketch and videos. So the headline 1 is appearing here, headline 2 is appearing here, and the headline 3 is appearing here. Just change the alphabet to a capital 1. If you want to change the layout of your advertisement, you can do it by clicking here. See more ad layouts. If you want your advertisement layout to be like this into your mobile screen, you can go for this one. For now, I'm just sticking to the one that is given by default. If you want to write another ad or add description to your advertisement, you can go by this. But for now, I'm done with the description thing. So just next. Okay, this went category down. This is yet another important page, actually the most important page. This is the budget page of Google Ads. This says that by default it recommends you how much do you need to actually pay for the advertisements. It is like 219 daily average, which is approximately coming across 6658 rupees a month. Okay, and it is suggesting me for this. If you want, you can set your own budget. For this, I'm clicking here. And since we are just the beginners, so we would like to restrict our budget limits to maybe rupees 100 a day. Okay, set budget. If I have got 100 rupees daily average budget, I need to pay rupees 3040 to Google for the promotion of the YouTube channel that we are creating or for the business that we are running. And currency, Indian currency, as it has already taken. Next, see, this is the estimated performance. Okay, once you are signing in and once you are done with the setup thing, it is going to show an analytics page also, that whatever time or at whatever time or at in whichever app your advertisement is being shown, what is the rate of impression that your advertisement is getting. It is giving us a sample of like from 14,334 to 23,905. This is the range of impression per month that we can get on our advertisement. If let's suppose if 20 or 30% of the audience is also subscribing to our channel, it will be a great hike to the viewers and to the subscribers of our channel. And I really find it a worth deal to do with Google. Location, since I've only selected India, so it is highlighting India's map, and this is the final budget thing. If you want to edit the keyword themes, you can edit it here, and your ad will look like this. Okay, make sure that you use some catchy and some tricky kind of words to it to make it more a bit fancier. And next, okay, now time zone India. Okay, promotional code. Remember, we have copied a code that was appearing, that has came to my email ID. I need to paste it here, and I did so. Now type business, yes, and business name is the Sketcher. You need to enter your credit and debit card details and other further details, and you need to agree to the terms and conditions that Google has provided. And finally, after submitting the button, you are having a bond with Google, which is just taking the responsibility of promoting your channel or any of the business that you are running to the various Google platforms or to the Google search engine. On any of the Android phones which is associated with Google, your business would be advertised over there. And if somebody is looking for any sort of search related to it, if it is somewhere related to your business, definitely Google is going to highlight your business advertisement on the top of it. So this was all about how you can get your business advertisement displayed over various Android applications and over Google search also. I hope you liked our video, and if yes, then guys, do subscribe to it, share our videos, and revert back to us with your feedback. And here's me and my team wishing you all a very happy advertising time. Take very good care of yourselves and have a happy time ahead. Bye bye. See you all in the very next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.